What's up, guys? It's Dilly here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually going to be the first video I upload to my channel, and I'm very excited to start making YouTube. I've been planning to make YouTube videos for a while now, but never really had the time. But now that I have time, I'm going to take advantage and shoot some videos. Anyways, a little bit about me. I'm 22 years old. I am here in California, land of emissions, and I really like cars. You guys are probably wondering, what do I drive? Well, I currently own a 2003 C5 Corvette 50th anniversary edition. There she is. That's my baby. Anyways, I hope to bring you guys great content. If you like cars, car meets, 1320, Corvettes, and this is the channel for you. This was just kind of like an introduction video, just introducing myself, introducing the car to the channel. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna leave just a walk around of the car, just so you guys can see. Like and subscribe for more videos. Dilly out.